What's going on, Pyros? Welcome back to the channel. Vex Pyro here, back at you with another video. Sorry, I'm at Menards, so I'm here to pick up some wood. Lots and lots of wood. I have 6 racks I need to build for people. So one, if you need racks, get a hold of me. If it's not really soon, I can't guarantee it before the 4th. Actually, I might even be able to guarantee it before the 4th now, but I can make them for you. But came to Menards to get some wood for those and deck it out. Fireworks. So we're gonna take a peek, see what they got. We got some bang snaps, some neon rockets, neon morning glories, neon sparklers, gold sparklers, the tanks. I did get one fountain from here last year and I really enjoyed it. So we may pick up one more, not at that price though. What are these? Mini Roman candles, smoke balls, silver salutes, big tank. There's a small assortment, maybe that. Maybe the spinners. I got one of these last year. Saturn missiles at $15. That's pretty crazy. Wall of Willows. I'm not paying $30 for it. We got some morning glories over here. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, it's definitely not worth it. Don't get me wrong. It's definitely not worth it. But it's hard to walk into a place and not buy something. Maybe we just go with these. Sorry, I need to zoom you guys out. That's probably better. Maybe we just end up with those. I wanted to look. Where's that small assortment at? Let's look at it. The Stash Starter. I mean, it's a good name. I mean, would you guys pay $15 for that? Some very tiny fountains, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're gonna pass on this one. Maybe we'll get the tanks. You know what? We're gonna get the tanks and these. All right, let's go, kids. I'll update you soon, guys. We're gonna go get a bunch of wood. All right, everybody. As you're seeing now, I got the wood from Menards. Quite a lot of it, to be honest. I have a lot of racks to build, though, and I was able to get some tubes from Pyro Direct, and I was able to secure another 150 tubes from another source. So I got quite a bit. So that's another 175 tubes. I ended up having to build, I think it was 2 20s, 4 6s, and 6 10s. So I mean in all really it's 4 8 10 racks, 12 if you after I put the 2 10s together for 20s. But yeah, quite a bit. And what you're going to be seeing throughout the rest of this video is going to be the process of that. So not the greatest videographer, just kind of sat it to the side and let it go, but you will see that. You'll see the process of building those racks, some of them getting the tubes in, and then I'll show you the end product. So yeah, thanks again to everybody who ordered the tubes. If I can help you out, let me know. Anyone who's interested in building their own racks to save some money from actually buying them from any other sources, any other websites or whatnot, let me know. I can either help you out with designs or actually doing it. So yeah, that's it for now. Enjoy the rest of this video, and until next time, Vex Pyro out. as you can see, Pyros, we've gotten all these racks done that we had orders for, and they turned out pretty well, if I say so myself. And since this video was shot, I've actually gotten the order for 5 more 24 shots, an 18 shot, and another 6 shot. So we have the tubes on order, and we're going to Menards sometime in the next day or two to get the wood, and we'll be putting all those together as well. So once again, get a hold of me if you need rack designs, or if you need any help working on your own. Save yourself some money. So yeah, thank you for enjoying this video. A little bit different, but it's something that I do quite a lot of, especially now that the season's really ramping up. I've had quite a lot of orders come in. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know down below what you think. Let me know if you need any help. And yeah, that's it for now. Until next time, Expiro out.